Hello YouTube, my name is Ben and I upload videos about fragrances, footwear, style tips, and overall lifestyle. If you are interested in those topics, I would like to invite you to like this channel and consider to subscribe. I'm always bringing up all kind of content that is related to all those things. And for today's video, what I would like to share with you is my boot maintenance routine. And what I like to use for that routine is a big horse hair brush to remove dirt from the boots. I like to use a different one, still horsehair brush for buffering once I have applied the coat of shoe cream on it. And I have this applicator here that I like to use whenever I clean the boots with saddle salt, but today I'm not going to be doing that, so I'm just going to put it aside. For the leather, what I like to do is apply a layer of leather conditioning oil, and I like to use the Kiwi brand because it doesn't change the color, the finished color on the leather of the boot. And because these boots are so old, I like the color that has developed by its own wear. So I like to keep that patina on it, and I use a neutral color shoe cream. I also have the Red Wing product for the cream, but I don't like to use them because it changes the color and the finish of the boot, so it makes them darker. And I really like the way they look with just the natural color in it. The first step I like to do is remove the laces on it. I like to remove the laces all the way down, stripping all off, and put them aside. These are actually my first pair of boots that I got for work. When I first started working in the company that I work at now, that was in late 2006, and since then I've been wearing these boots whenever I had to go and do some field work. And I was actually neglecting them for the longest time. It was not until I took them to the Red Wing place to be resold when I decided to take better care of them, because I really wasn't doing much of care at all. So since I get them back from the Red Wing place after they were resold, I decided to start taking better care of them. I mean, these boots are over 10 years old now, and they've been with me many adventures. So I really like them now, and I want to take good care of them. There. Now that that's done, I proceed with applying a layer of the cream, and I just use my hand. I just do it by hand, and I apply as much as I can. And I do this once a month, on a monthly basis. I'm sure they appreciate that. they were looking really, really bad. They had a lot of scuffs, and I just felt bad for the way that they were looking. And now I do my best to give them a better care. And I'm not doing this video with the purpose of telling you how you should take care of your boots. Mostly I'm doing it so I can get some advices from you, and you can walk me step by step on how you do it. So I will really encourage you to leave a comment in the comment section and point out some of the proper way to take care of working boots. I will really like to have these boots last me as much as possible. So from then I have decided to take better care of them. Now that they have the oil, I just let them dry for about 20 minutes, and then I give it a bath with the brush and apply the shoe cream on them for a better finish. This shoe cream also will reintroduce some of the essential oils in the leather, and it will give it a better finish. So I'll come back in 20 minutes. Now that the boot has dried a little bit, I like to remove a little bit of the excess of the oil with the brush, and this brush also help to push in some of that conditioning in it. So it helps to fill in every single little pore in the leather of the boot. And now I apply a layer of the shoe cream. I also like to use my bare fingers for that. That's the way we used to do it back home, back in the day. So I don't have to use the applicator or the little chamois, the cotton chamois that comes in that box. And I'm not looking for a shine in these boots. They are work boots. I just like to keep the natural color that they have developed, and I try to encourage them to keep developing that color, that finish. So I let it dry a little bit more. Try to get in as much as I can, and I do that in the next boot. And because I'm not looking for any shine in the finish of the boots, I just mostly wanted to have their leather a little bit reconditioned. So this is the final step for this boot. I just have to repeat this process again next month. So for now the boots are done, and I really appreciate you hanging out with me in this video. I will really like if you decide to share some of your tips on how to take care of your work boots. This is for me now. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.